here with Catalyst Wellness. Today we're busting some myths on sleep. We all know that sleep is important and that good restorative sleep is essential to optimizing your body. But what if you're not getting good sleep? What are your options? Many patients come in thinking their only option to help with sleep are pharmaceutical medications, but that's not necessarily true. Today I'll share how we help patients improve their sleep. Let's start with why people don't get quality sleep. Of course, there's no one answer for everyone, but in its simplest form, sleep comes as a restorative portion of your body's daily cycle, and that cycle is regulated by hormones. Many things such as stress, nutrition, and hormonal imbalance can disrupt that daily cycle, causing you to lose sleep. Now, whether that is trouble getting to sleep or trouble staying asleep, ultimately it all comes down to hormones. And once it's off track, people often need a boost internally to get it back on track. Many over-the-counter and even prescription sleep aids are like a Band-Aid. They give you a boost when you take the medication, but they don't reset your hormones, which means even if they do work, they only work if you continue to take them regularly. Let's discuss some myths around sleep aids. Melatonin won't work for me. Melatonin won't work for many people. Melatonin does provide a great boost for latency period of sleep, which is how fast you enter the sleep state. People have reported that even though they fall asleep faster with melatonin, it does not provide them with the ability to stay asleep. Hormone replacement therapy might work for sleep, but I don't want to gain muscle, grow hair in new places, and I don't need to boost my sex drive. There are several different hormones in the body, and balancing them doesn't mean we're boosting all of them. When we set out to balance your hormones to help you sleep better, we are correcting and resetting imbalances and deficiencies that have been known to affect sleep patterns in a negative way. There is nothing scary here. We're just looking to bring you back to the optimum levels so that you can be the best version of yourself. That's exactly why we look at optimizing from the inside out, because the benefits of hormone replacement therapy are to improve many body systems and improve how you feel and experience life. So if you're experiencing poor sleep, give us a call today. We have so many different options that could help you have the most restorative night's sleep of your life. We look forward to hearing from you.